Hi there. Welcome to the next lesson. We are continuing in the same series of power words for SAT examination. Now we look at words starting with alphabet F. 106. Fastidious. Fastidious is an adjective and it would mean meticulous. 107. Forestall. Forestall is a verb and it means to hold off or try to prevent. 108. Frugal. Frugal is an adjective and the meaning is economical or cost effective. 109. Gainsay. Gainsay is a verb and it means deny a demand or a request. 110. Galvanize. Galvanize is a verb and it means to shock. The spelling seems to be incorrect. To shock or excite someone into action. Okay. If I take a quick second and make a little correction here. To shock or excite someone into action. The next word that we are looking at is word number 111, which is gauche. Adjective, and what it means is socially inept, awkward, or inappropriate. 112. Germane. Germane is an adjective and it means relevant to the matter at hand. 113. It is gregarious. Gregarious is an adjective and it means sociable. 114 is guile. Guile is an adjective and it means craftiness or cunning. 115. Hedonism. It is a noun and the meaning of this one would be the pursuit of pleasure. The next word that we are looking at is hierarchical. Hierarchical is an adjective and what it means is arranged in rank, order or hierarchy. Generally every organization, be it military, a civil organization, a corporate office, will have a hierarchical arrangement. 117. Homogeneous. Homogeneous is an adjective and it means uniform or identical. 118. Hyperbole. Hyperbole is a noun and it means obvious exaggeration for effect. 119. Iconoclast. Iconoclast, it's a noun and the meaning is a person who attacks traditional, religious or cultural institutions. The next word we are looking at is number 120. This is imminent. Imminent is adjective, something which is about to happen. Number 121. Immutable. Immutable is adjective, something which is unchangeable or unchangeable. 122. Impediment. Impediment is a noun and it means a barrier, a hindrance or obstruction. 123. Imperturbable. It's an adjective and it means remaining calm under any circumstances. The next word that we are looking at is number 124, which is implacable. It is an adjective and it means unforgiving. 125. Impudent. It's an adjective again and it means disrespectful. Impudent would mean disrespectful. Inadvertent. Inadvertent, it is an adjective and it means by accident or unintentional. 127. Intransigent. Intransigent is an adjective and it means uncompromising or obstinate. The next word that we are looking at is intrepid. Intrepid is an adjective and it means bold and adventurous. 129. Loud. It's a laud. Okay. It's a verb and it means to praise. Applaud, laud. I'm sure that makes it clear to you for you to understand. 130. Laudable. Laudable is adjective and it means praiseworthy. 131. Lucid. Lucid is an adjective and it means clear and coherent. 132. Luminous. Luminous is an adjective and it means bright or full of light. The next word we are looking at is magnanimity. Magnanimity. It is an adjective and it means generosity and nobility of spirit. 134. Maverick. Maverick is a noun and it means an unorthodox person or a rebel. 135. Mendacity. Mendacity is a noun and it means untruthfulness or dishonesty. Next is mercurial. Mercurial is an adjective and it would mean easily changeable. 137. Meticulous. Meticulous is an adjective that means paying close attention to details, generally used for supervisors or leaders who are meticulous. The next word that we are looking at is naive. Naive is an adjective and it means inexperienced or gullible. 139. Nascent. Adjective, just beginning or in the early stages. We can use it for companies, organizations, anything. 140. Nonplussed. Nonplussed is an adjective and it means confused or baffled. 141. Notoriety. Notoriety is a noun and it would mean fame for doing something negative or even criminal. The next word in the series that we are looking at is nuance. Nuance is a noun and it means subtle shades of difference. Number 143. Obdurate. Obdurate is an adjective and it means stubborn. 144. Obscure. Obscure is an adjective and it means mysterious or not well known. In case we use it as a noun, it would mean to cover up something. 145. The word here is obstinate, and obstinate is an adjective. Again, it means stubborn or uncompromising. The next word that we are looking at is obviate. Obviate is a verb and it would mean to prevent. 147. Occlude. Occlude is a verb and it would mean to block or obstruct. Next is occult. Occult is a noun and it is referred to as supernatural. Offset. Offset is a verb and it means counterbalance. The next word we are looking at is opprobrium. It's a noun and the meanings are criticism or condemnation. The next word we are looking at is number 151, oscillate. Oscillate is a verb and it means to swing back and forth between two points, poles or positions generally. The next one is outstrip. Outstrip is a verb and it means to overtake or outrun. 153. Overshadow. Overshadow is a verb and it means to appear more notable than. To appear more notable than. the other, something else, another company, another team, etc. So guys, this was up till vocabulary O, vocabulary starting with the letter O. We will move to the next chapter now and cover the rest of the vocabularies. Thank you so much for your participation. See you in the next lesson.